Okay, here we're going to look at doing some math, and later we're going to need to import the math module to do more interesting stuff. But here's an example where we can do the absolute value of a number. I'll open up a Jupyter notebook, click on that workspace, click Open Workspace, and then I'll click Python 3. Again, whenever you're doing the readings, we want you to be trying those out. You're really going to get a lot more out of it. Okay, so I can calculate the absolute value of a number by calling the abs function, and then I can put maybe I want a negative in there, and then it gives me the value 3.3. And again, remember, it'll just tell me the value because I'm in a Jupyter notebook, or I could explicitly print that value. A bummer is that other things like square root, I wish that that was a function, so I could take the square root of 4, but actually it says, name error, square root is not defined, or sqrt is not defined. The reason why abs works, but square root doesn't, is abs is one of these built-in functions. So I can click on that to see all of the built-in functions. You can see abs at the top. Another one that we've used is print. Oh, there's input, which we've used. And there's print. And so for actually each of these, you can click on them and see a little bit more information. Okay, before looking at the math module that we're going to use a bunch, let's look at importing modules in general. So here's an example where we're importing the date time module, and then we're able to actually use some of the functionality in it. So we're going to replicate this sort of structure. So here is the math module. And in my Python workspace, I can say import math. Okay, that runs without causing an error, which is great. And then here I can see what the different things are that it can do. And as we might expect, there's a lot of things, but it's got a square root. So now that I've imported it, let's try, I'll get rid of this old one. Let's try that square root 4 thing. Okay, dang it, we still get an error. The reason why we get an error is because it still isn't a built-in function like absolute value or print. And so I've imported the math module, but actually I need to say, I want to say math dot square root. And what that's saying is from that math module, call the square root function on the value 4. And then I'll run it and I get 2. Okay, so for any of the methods here in the math module, I have to put math before it.